Welcome back to another game development tutorial. So first things, we're going to make our GameOverState. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to get rid of these. So we're going to gsm.setStates states.GameOver, and we're going to just copy that line here and here. And we're going to get rid of this import. Alright, so cool. Now we're going to go into our GameOverState. We're done with our play state. So actually, we're just going to go ahead and do one more thing in here. If my input dot key pressed my input dot back, we're just going to go ahead and do, we're going to go back to the title state. Alright. Alright. Awesome. So, GameOverState. So, first things we're going to need is we're going to need our camera, just like in everyone. So, private my camera cam, private viewport view. Okay. Import that. I and GitHub have this like that. So yeah. Anyway, next thing we're gonna need is we're gonna need some strings. So private string game over score exit. Okay, so we're gonna need positions for all of these strings. So gx, gy, gh, sx, sy, s height, ex, ey, e height. Alright, and we need these to be floats. Okay, and then we're going to have an array of stars. Stars. Alright, so in our init method, we have to import all of these. In our init method, we're going to go ahead and actually we're going to make a setValues method. Private void setValues, and then up here we're going to initialize our camera. So cam equals new my camera true. View equals. Actually, you can just copy this from the play state. All this. So go ahead and do that. And then under resize, we're going to go ahead and just put that in there, view.update. Update with height true. With height true. Alright. Cool, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And then here, then we're going to set values. Then stars, we're going to go ahead, we can just copy that from the play state as well. So our stars are right here. Go ahead, you can just copy that. Paste that down here. Alright, so we should be good. That's our init method. You can pause the video and copy that. Alright. So now set values. So first we're going to set our string game over to game over. Alright. Next we're going to do gh is equal to game.res.get. Get height, we're going to give it main. Game over, target width, my constants dot world width minus 20, align dot center with this being true. Alright, Now gx is 10f, gy is my constants dot world height times 0.5f plus g height times 3 plus 5. Alright, so let's go ahead and draw that. Oh, in our update method, we're going to call set values, and in draw, we're just going to go ahead and start our draw method. So sr.begin, we're going to do our stars first. Shape type dot build, sr.set projection matrix, cam.combined, 4 star s in stars, s.draw, sr.end. Okay, and then sb.begin, sb.set projection matrix, cam.combined once again, and then game.res.getFont main.draw. We're going to give it sprite batch, game over, gx, gy, target width, my constants dot world width, width minus 20, align dot center, and true. Alright, so just copy all that and you should be good. sb.end, and there you go. So once we go to game over, which I have to die first to do. Okay, so there is a null pointer. N must be positive. Where is that? Go ahead and get rid of this tube.clear. Alright. Should be enough for them to start shooting. There we go. As you can see, we have this game over right here. Actually, the stars are messed up. Change this up here to world width. Alright, and for the sake of testing, we're just going to go ahead and change this to game over for now, so that we can just run it and see what it looks like. As you can see, the stars go across the whole screen now. Okay? So let's go ahead and finish up the whole state. So that's that. So we need score is equal to my constants dot get score. So this is formatting our score, game dot score. All right. sh is equal to game dot res dot get height. Pretty much the same thing as all this, except for here we put score. So pause the video, copy that. Alright, sx equals 10f, sy equals gy minus g height minus s height minus 5. Exit equals press enter to exit. And again, this is pretty much going to be the same thing. So for this will be exit. EX will be 10F. And we have to change this to EH actually. Alright? And EY is SY minus S height minus E height minus 5. And we're actually gonna, in our handle input, we're gonna go ahead and do if my input dot key pressed my input dot start. We're gonna go ahead and do gsm dot set states dot title, which for now is going to be a blank screen. Okay, so now we just copy this line right here and do score here, change these to S, change these to E, change this to exit. Alright, so when we run it, it's going to give me 0 for the score. That's our game over state. So we can escape. There we go, let's press enter. Oh yes, it's right there. Oops, press enter. It goes back to the title state, which we have not created yet. So, that's why it's blank. So, yeah, so that's why actually I don't clear this well, I can still clear it and just up here, so put that back there, and up here you can just do my constants dot clamp. Yeah, clamp. We can put this 0, 10, or yeah, whatever. So yeah, so it doesn't go less than 0, because that was the problem. Oh, oops. Game, change this back to play. Alright. Now we shouldn't have any problem. We just have to actually lose. Oh, damn it. Sorry. On. There we go. And as you can tell, as you could hear, the sound effect played. And it shows the score that we had. Press enter the exit, and it goes back to title state. Alright. So that's that for this video. Another short video. Next time we're going to make our we can close this. We're going to make our title state, and then we're going to make our splash state, and then we will be done. So yeah, that will happen next time. So yeah, sorry. If you have any questions, text me, email me, Skype me, whatever. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye.